We are at the Suwon Hwaseong Cultural Festival. This is gonna be awesome. Let's go check it out. Anyeong, haseyo, adventurers. Over the next 2 days, we'll be checking out dazzling art media installations, going on a stamp tour, watching incredible modernized versions of traditional performances, taking in some local heritage, and having ourselves a good time. I hope you'll join us. Let's get into it. All right, let's go festival. Hwaseong Fortress was built in the late 1700s. It is a king's residential palace surrounded by a fortress wall and 4 gates. It's decked out with dioramas depicting scenes from when the palace was in use, so you can learn a bit about the history of the place. You know, it wouldn't have been so bad to live back in here 300 years ago. It might have been pretty cool. Today for the festival, it's adorned with decorative lighting and traditional handcrafts and artworks, and has a really cool vibe to it. Time flies, would love to stay and take more videos, but we gotta get on it. The opening ceremony is starting. We got special tickets. Let's go check it out.
Check it out.
Woo! The opening ceremony. We didn't really know what to expect. We read there was a musical and a quote-unquote special performance afterwards. So we poured ourselves some wine that we brought from home and settled in. And boy, was I glad we brought that wine, because this musical wasn't exactly Les Mis. It was obviously low budge, and the story was about the construction of the fortress wall. The lyrics were about things like how the magnanimous King Jeongjo offered the peasants such generous living wages. No more shoveling poop for us. Literally, those were the lyrics. No more shoveling poop for us. Then there was the song about the Korean inventor who built the first pulley system, which made wall construction easier. And that went on for like 5 minutes. The beloved pulley song. Then there was a storm which destroyed the wall, and they had to rebuild it again, and good Lord, it went on forever. Finally, 30 minutes later, to our great relief, it was over. But I suppose it was worth the wait, because then came the royal procession and all the good stuff. The show was excellent, so visually pleasing. We left with smiles on our faces, some pep in our steps, and ready to venture out to see what the rest of the night had in store for us. And that's when we stumbled upon this silent DJ party taking place at the West Gate. We didn't feel like shelling out the $10 to rent headphones, but it did look fun. Next year, we'll look into the early bird package for the add-on activities. Pretty cool. We finished our night by checking out some of the photo zones, and Chloe got a free mood lamp for participating in an Instagram promotion. On our way out through the North Gate, we came upon another media art installation in the gate courtyard. It was lovely.
Really good. All right, I think that's it for tonight. We're going to be back tomorrow for the main event, which is the big light media display on the fortress wall. It's been a good night. See ya. All right, it's another day at the Suwon Hwaseong Cultural Festival. Day number 2, we're at Paldamun Gate, and today we are collecting stamps. Yesterday we found this stamp tour book. We collected a couple, we thought it was fun, and we're gonna go around for the first part of today and try to collect all 10 stamps. We'll see if that's possible. And hopefully the souvenir gift we get at the end will be something kind of fun and cool. Let's go!
Let's go!
I see it. Oh, it only got half.
Well.
We're at the Suwon Hwaseong Museum. Let's get another stamp. That's 6. 4 more to go. That's 7. Waiting for the show to start. We're posted up at the rail. We're ready. Little snacky poo.
Really so.
All right, let's go. Like all the rest of the media displays, the main show here was absolutely fantastic. This entire festival has been excellent, and it's basically 100% free. If you're traveling in Korea in the fall, I give this my highest recommendation. After the show, we walked around the park and checked out many of the smaller displays. They say Seoul is a city of great contrasts, the traditional mixed with the futuristic. And this festival really accentuates that contrast. This hyper-modern media art projected onto these 200-year-old fortress walls. It's such a great aesthetic. It's definitely a vibe here.
This corn looked really delicious. I was in the mood for some corn. Let's get it. Well, our corn is done, and I think this video is also. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next adventure. Bye. We are back for the 10th and final stamp for our stamp book. All right, it's time to show you what we got. I got a magnet for my free gift. I think it's pretty cool. It shows the gate and the little tram and the little frog who's like the mascot. Yeah, and then she got the pin badge for her bag. So it kind of worked out perfectly. What fun little free gifts. All right.